Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video and review into Huck's World. And today we got another awesome watch face for you all to check out that, yes, it's going to be free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. You got a couple more days before you actually get to the weekend. So just in case it's time for you to flex in watch faces, then I got one for you. Now, the name of this one is called AWF Orbion. Now, I'd like to look at this modern watch face, very nice for analog watch face. In the AOD mode, you're going to get the same design, same theme, and it's going to be dimmed down in the black and white mode. Now, once the watch face is on, you got a unique way to tell time so far as your analog time is concerned. You got a nice floating second hand that's cruising around the center of the watch, and everything happens on the inside of this watch face. First, you're going to get a nice digital time, which means you get the best of both worlds. You're going to also get your date dead center. You're going to get your step info, your battery info, and also your heart rate down at the bottom. Now, you cannot customize the black theme in the background, which is going to give you more battery life. But that's okay, considering that this is a free watch face, that is all right. Now, what you can do is that if you tap either on the top ring, you got to double tap. Sometimes you accidentally hit the other function that you can tap into, which I'll show you in a second. But just keep tapping, and it'll cycle through the many different colors and shades that you can get to. Now, if you want to go into, of course, your step status, just tap there. I was very surprised at that, considering that this is a free watch face and the center isn't all that big. You can still go in and get that information at a single tap, which I thought was pretty cool for a free watch face. All right, you all, that's going to be it. Do me a favor. Hit me in the comment section down below. Hit the like button on the way out because that does help the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.